Hi, I'm Pat, Product Manager here at Warehouse Lighting, and I'm thrilled to introduce our latest lighting solution, our new premium area lights by WareLight. Our premium area lights come in versatile options, the 150 watt model offering selectable wattage settings of 100, 125, and 150 watts. The 300 watt model, which allows you to choose between 240, 275, and 300 watt. These DLC Premium UL listed fixtures come with a Type 3, 4, and 5 optic in the box and offer selectable color temperatures of 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. The PAL series feature an adjustable universal mount, allowing for flexible and easy installation on any round or square pole or 2-inch tenon adapter. For lighting control, we offer a 2-in-1 sensor, allowing you to have motion sensing capability as well as photocell capability with no remote required. Our premium area light is an all-in-one product that comes with everything you need in the box for any project. These are ideal for parking lots, industrial yards, and large outdoor spaces, delivering powerful, reliable lighting for enhanced safety and visibility. As always, WareLight backs its products with a 5-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Contact us today to learn more about how the PAL series can transform your next project. I'm Pat, and thanks for watching.